Meet Sophie, who loves chatting with her friends and shop online. But have you ever wondered how she can do this securely? When Sophie sends a message, she wants to make sure that no one else can read it. And when she pays for her favorite game, she wants to be sure that her money goes to the right place and that no one can change the amount that she pays. This is where cryptography comes in. Cryptography is the science of protecting information by transforming it into a secure format. It ensures that only the intended recipient can read a message or complete a transaction. Cryptography relies on mathematics. It uses complex algorithms to encrypt messages, making them unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the right key. This is called end-to-end encryption. With end-to-end encryption, only Sophie and her friend can read their messages. Even if someone intercepts the message, it will look like gibberish to them. Similarly, when Sophie pays online, message authentication ensures that the payment is sent to the right shop and that the amount is correct. This prevents fraud and keeps her money safe. In a world where we rely on technology more than ever, understanding cryptography helps us appreciate how mathematics and computer science work together to keep us safe. So, next time you send a message or make a payment, remember, cryptography is working hard behind the scenes to protect you.